Hi, Antoine, what a galang. I am glad you asked about this tag SADTEATIO. Same addressed differences, then experiencing acute those intergenerational outcomes. Same addressed differences, identity baseline similarities of life, organic, plants, animals, is distinguished by autonomic methods, processes of being able to take in nutrition of food, get energy from it, grow, procreate, etc. Design patterns present a range of instinctive, sensory, and cognitive capabilities geared to fulfill its exigencies in selective or coordinated responses to stimuli. This is especially relatable to a human being recognized as the apex of form and functionality, with the potential of inordinate impact outside of the fact that all life matters. Differences are largely influenced by variations of perceptions, affectations, and consequences. Inorganic identities are not life in form and structure, are composed of matter that is not like animal or vegetable, yet represent elements of the natural life cycle that severally hold specific attributes of necessity to its efficiency and sustainability. Technology, or the manipulation of inorganic elements, is best considered as relevant in supporting the exigencies of life. The development, therefore, requires extensive, honest evaluation of the needs and parameters of proposed application, its effects principally on human developers' health, upon which all other progressive functionalities of life are dependent, the stability of the associated and open environment, then on all other aspects of life. To serve one form of life and violate, particularly to be of detriment to access nutrition, thus the basis of functionality for another, becomes anathema to all life, regardless of affectations, perceptions addressed or justified as differences. Experience concedes the natural life cycle openly harnesses naturally occurring inorganic elements to the common good, the epitome of consistency and balance. Plants process the elements with infinite precision, produce fruit with a perfect balance of constituents deliverable according to season to animals, each endowed with the perfect capacities for assimilation, each extracting its complement of nutrition, then instinctively handing the process to another toward the point of origin and the progressive improvement of the cycle. Each iteration has the effects of improving the overall condition of every participant based upon the absence of artifice in the opportunities for response to stimuli and the consistently organized sustainability of something good to eat. Experience also illustrates that the artificially manipulated inorganic development and deployment invariably suffer violation of due diligence to the detriment of participants and the open environment. Every life form operates well within the confines of natural life cycle laws, limits, and accommodations, including reproductive capacities that ensure environmental balance and sustainability, with the exception of humanity. Violating standards of something good to eat, decayed instead of fresh, for example, elicits acute negative consequences. Chronic violation compounds the effects to the extent that the dysfunction sets across generations as a legacy, or, one might say, kismet. Oversight, therefore, is an attribute best directed toward personal health, environmental well-being through compliance with natural symbioses. This extends into protecting the resources supporting those criteria, giving positive outcomes of stewardship, thus justice through communication, assurances of availability to all dependents, a celebration of similarities. Relationships between natural life cycle methodologies of consistency, organization, balance, and sustainability, of progressive zero waste and resource integrity management sensitivity without the artifice of technology are both subtle and profound. The crowning element stands as potential for nutrition of every living being towards sustained health and perpetuity, given its performance according to design parameters. The condition that humans' assertions of oversight fall woefully short of participation standards due to declarations of illogical failings and incapacities is a sad trajectory. A corrective perspective is to define the need, notice the edges, to determine if the action's trajectory of health outcomes, sustained base effects, can qualify as of something good to eat.